In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extensions to Gmail. First, open your browser and search for Gmail. Type Gmail into the search bar at the top and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official Gmail link from Google, usually near the top. Click that link and it will take you to the main Gmail sign-in or inbox page. You should see the familiar Gmail layout with the clean white background and the colorful Google logo. Next, log in if you are not already logged in. If you see a sign-in screen, enter your email address, then your password, and continue. If you have more than one Google account, choose the one where you want to use these extensions. After logging in, your inbox appears with your messages in the center and folders on the left. If your inbox is already open from before, you can stay there and continue. Now, look at the vertical panel on the far right side of your screen. This narrow strip sits to the right of your emails and shows small round icons. You will normally see icons for calendar, keep, tasks, and maybe a plus sign. If you do not see the panel at first, try making your browser window a bit wider. This right side panel is where Gmail places shortcuts for add-ons, so it is the spot we need. From there, click the plus sign icon that says Get Add-ons. Move your mouse over the plus sign and you should see a small tooltip saying Get Add-ons. Click once and a new window or panel opens in the middle of your Gmail screen. This is the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where Gmail extensions live. You will see featured tools, categories, star ratings, and short descriptions. Next up, browse or use the search bar to find an extension. At the top of the Marketplace window, there is a search bar. You can type a tool name you already know, like a calendar helper, or a type of task, like email tracking. Press Enter, and the list updates to show matching extensions. Or you can scroll through the categories and featured cards if you just want to explore. Each card usually shows the extension name, an icon, star rating, and how many users it has. A useful tip here, higher ratings and a large number of users often mean a more trusted extension. After that, click on the extension, then click Install. When you click the extension card, a detailed page opens with screenshots and more info. Look for the Install button near the top and click it once. A confirmation box appears that explains what the extension can access in your Gmail account. Grant the necessary permissions to link the tool to your Gmail account by clicking Allow. Gmail may refresh or show a brief message that the add-on was installed successfully. After a moment, you should see the new extension icon appear in that right side panel. You have now searched for Gmail, opened your inbox, and added a new extension through the Get Add-ons panel. If this helped you add Gmail extensions with confidence, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Gmail tips.